Alright guys, today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday, and we will be at Britton Hill Winery and Venue. The Camaro's all cleaned up. We're going to be taking it down. They have a car show, and we will be giving away the Stoner Car Care kit here. It comes loaded. It's a wash bucket, but it also is loaded full of Stoner Car Care products. It does have the grit guard in the bottom of the bucket. It's got microfiber towels and about everything else you need to keep your car looking good. What's going on, guys? It's Danny from Slow Restoration. We're in the Camaro today and we're getting ready to head off to the car show. We'll see you out there. Guys, it was a successful day at Britton Hill Vineyard and Venue. I want to call it a winery, but it's Vineyard and Venue. So Britton Hill, check them out. Definitely a cool place to hang out. And obviously they had their first car show and it was a pretty good success. There was a little bit of rain midday and a chance of rain all day, which definitely held some people off, but nonetheless, I think they had 73, 75 cars there. So, nice day. Turned out to be a gorgeous day out here. Something I actually just figured out about the Camaro. We do have it in, let's see here, driving mode is, we have it in sport, which the valves are kind of open. But if we take and put the gear shifter first, second is fine, even third. As soon as we hit fourth gear rather, as you can hear, the valves close. Open, close. So once you go over a certain throttle position, they open back up, and that's just in sport mode. You go in track mode, they're open all the time. Kind of a cool feature. We got Jessica with us, and we are actually getting ready to pull back in. The Turbo GMC is sitting out. It'll be our first time seeing it in the current refresh state. Let's get her reaction. All right, you ready?
Sure. Would you get tires? Is that the only refreshment?
And the wrap. I mean, you haven't seen it since it's sitting like that. All right, so we're sitting in front of it now, and Jessica's very first reaction to it.
It's hideous.
She doesn't like it.
I think you ruined it. Kind of.
Kind of.
The color is not attractive on that truck. It looked a lot better before. It looked good before. It looked good. It runs amazing. And now it just looks like a green pea.
A green pea.
Yeah.
Well, it's different. And that's what we were going for, a totally different look. I mean, honestly, if you saw a picture of this truck and the other truck, you wouldn't even think it was the same truck, right?
No, but different should be good different, not like different.
Well, good is relative, so.
I don't like the wheels at all.
She doesn't like the wheel. She doesn't like the green. It is dirty, so that's hindering the wrap color a little bit. But anyway, she actually brings up a really good point.
What's that?
Well, she thinks it's ruined, but it's not, because the wrap pulls right off. We did not disturb the body at all. We just wrapped over it. So obviously, the wrap pulls off and the wheels just unbolt. So far, that's the only thing we did. We did tint the windows, which...
The window tint looks amazing.
Yeah, the window tint looks good.
Vehicles
much needed.
Should all have a window tint.
So,
no.
It is not ruined, though. You may not like the current look. Like Jessica, you may not like the current look, but it's 100%,
give this video 100% down.
reversible. So Jessica's standing here talking about the truck more. So what's your opinion on the direction we should go with this truck?
Honestly, it looked better stock. It looked nice.
Stock color.
Stock color.
Okay.
Not
so
stock.
She does not like the wrap at all.
I love the lift.
And I asked, what color should I have wrapped it? And she's like, none.
She liked factory paint.
We bought this truck new, and she actually did pick this color out, which I do like the stock color. There's nothing wrong with it. Yeah.
Oh. Interesting.
It was a long time ago. It was 2004, yeah. But we did buy this truck new.
I don't like the color at all. I think that you really need to make it. It's like, I feel like you're gonna have to dump way more money into it with custom, like do the wheel well mess.
Well, yeah, I'm going to wrap the fender flares body color like the other one.
Get like custom graphics,
yeah.
Which I know is a plan, but I feel like you're gonna have to spend way too much money.
It's a process,
putting into this to make it look like, oh look, there's a custom truck that looks good instead of just this big green thing.
Yeah, right now it does have a little ways to go. I mentioned that earlier in the video. So we definitely need to get our graphics done, and we need to wrap the flares and do something with the chrome also.
I mean, you did a job, like work-wise. It just doesn't look good.
Well, beauty's in the eye of the beholder.
Yeah.
Some people are gonna love it, like I mentioned earlier. Some people are gonna hate it.
What's
Jessica hates it. I don't think Puppy likes it either.
Jessica gives it a thumbs down.